guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video I'm going to provide you some information regarding the shortcut keys that you can use in Eclipse to perform the writing and editing and as well as the navigation in a simple way. So these shortcuts will help you to write the code in easy way. Okay, based on the things that I'll show you, you will come to know how easy of writing the code in the Eclipse is. So I think most of the students still using the notepad, so stop it there, because recently I started using the Eclipse. So I found that the Eclipse is very convenient to use for writing the Java. So that's why I am sharing my personal opinion, because in Eclipse you will have lot many features where you can write the code in within less time. I mean, it will consume less time to write or complete the code. It will have some automatic features. Like one example I'll say you is, so if you want to define the parameterized constructors for a particular class, so while using the notepad, you need to write all the required parameterized constructors. But coming to Eclipse, it's not like that. I'll show you. Just look at here. Now I have the class bank and I want to generate the constructors for it. So what I'll do is, just you can see my cursor is here, and click the right click and go with the source. Next you can see it here, generate constructor using fields. Just select this and just select whatever the fields you want to require. Okay, I am selecting all these three and just click generate. Now here I got this constructor, right, with all these three fields, and here the super is not required, right? So just I am removing this. So this is the way. And again, if you want to generate the constructor with only two, with account number and account holder name, just again right click and select the source, then go to generate constructor using field and just select whatever the required fields. See here you have an option, omit call to default constructor super. I don't want super to call, and just click generate. So here you can see you got the constructor with account number and account holder name as the fields. Actually in this constructor you got the super, but here not, because I selected that particular that I don't need the super function, right? So this is how we generate the constructors. So coming to the notepad, we need to write it manually. And one more thing, just I am giving the comparison so that you can understand how easy to use the Eclipse, right? See here, for example, I just removed the semicolon. So here I am able to find that I did some mistake, right? But coming to notepad, if you write the code, if you do some mistakes also, you will not find it at the particular time. Once you run and execute the program, then you will able to find where the mistake you did, right? But coming to the Eclipse, once you do the mistake, at that point of time you will find the mistake, that you are doing some mistake and you need to rectify it, right? So this is also will save your time. And once you place the cursor here, you will find that syntax error, insert semicolon to complete statement. So it will guide you whatever the mistake you have did, right? Once I insert the semicolon, so the error has gone. So this is the way of guiding us in the Eclipse. And coming to the another one, so if I want to use some here, okay, I'll remove this statement, and now see here I'm getting some error, right? So how I can fix this is importing scanner class. So just place the cursor here and click Control spacebar, and here you find that scanner class. Just click it there. Now it has imported automatically. You can find the scanner class has imported automatically, right? And the error has gone here, so you can find. Now here you can see these two files has been not saved yet. So how to save the multiple files at a time in Eclipse? So the shortcut is just click Ctrl Shift and S. Now these two files has been saved, And if you want to save this single file, just click Ctrl S, that everybody know. But whenever you want to save the multiple files at a time, just go with the Ctrl Shift S. Okay. And if you want to comment this all the lines at a time, just select all the required lines and click Ctrl /. So all these lines has been commented, right? Okay, and if you want to remove all these comments, just select whatever the lines that you want to remove the comments and click again Ctrl /. Now all this has been removed. And if you want to comment all this using the multi-line comment format, just click Ctrl Shift and /. See, now here we have applied the multi-line comment. So for example, here I am removing semicolon, and I'll just save this and I'll run the file. Now I am getting some error at line 14, I think so. Yeah. But whenever you have a huge lines of code, then you are unable to go to the particular line in a quick time, right? So what I'll do is, here we have the error at line 14. So just how to go to that line? Just click Ctrl L and enter that line number and just enter. You will go to that particular line, means the cursor will move to that particular line. So this is useful when you have large lines of code, right? When you have some thousand lines of code, then it will be useful, not for small programs. And see, let me show you one thing here. If you want to close this current file, then what you have to do is just click Ctrl W. It will close, right? And again I'll open this. Now I want to close the multiple files. Whatever the files they are open, I want to close all those files. Then what you have to do is just click Ctrl Shift and W. All the files has been closed. And next, for example, I am closing this package explorer. How to get the package explorer back to its place? What you need to do is just click Alt Shift and W. Now you got these options. When I click Alt Shift W, just click this package explorer, you will get it back, right? Like I have many number of files open here. So now I just want to move to some particular file. So how to get it? Instead of moving to every file, just click Ctrl E and just you will get the box containing all the files. Just select wherever you want to go. Just click that file. Okay. So just it will give all the files so that you can select that wherever you want to go, instead of moving from every file, right? Now for example, I want to create some new class. Okay, just name it as class test and finish. So here I don't have main method, right? What I'll do is just type the main and press Ctrl space and just click enter. Now you will get the automatic code of that main function. If you want to format the code, for example, I'll say that like my code is not properly formatted. What you need to do is just click Control and Shift and F. So if you click this, all your code will be formatted. Yeah, now we want to remove the block comment, that is multi-line comments. So actually I showed how to add the single line comments for the selected lines and how to remove it. But once you add the multi-line comment, so for example, now I am selecting this statement and I will add the multi-line comment, right? So now I have added. But once you select all this and click Shift Control Shift and /, the multi-line comments won't be removed. So for that, what we have to do is select this statement and give the right click and go to the source here and just click the remove block comment. So what is control shift and not forward slash, backward slash. Okay, to to add the block comment, just go with control shift and forward slash, and to remove, just select control shift and forward, like this is backward slash. Okay, so just select it, otherwise I will do with control shift and backward slash. Okay, it has been removed. And the next one is, for example, now I am removing this semicolon. Okay, now I place the cursor here. Now I want to go to the last edited place. What I have to do is, to go to the last edited place, just click the control and Q. Now see where the cursor is, it is blinking here. So this is the last edited place. So you can use control Q for that. And now for example, okay, you already know how to close all the multiple files at a time using control shift W. And now you can see here, I'll place the semicolon. Okay, now there is no errors. You can see the code is not in formatted manner, right? So now I want to format this code. So to format this code, you need to use the shortcut key control plus shift plus F. Otherwise, just give the right click. So once you press this keys, then it will automatically format. Otherwise, you give right click and go with the source and just click format. You can see the shortcut key here, just click format. Now the code has been formatted. Yeah, one more thing that I want to say is, you can do the getters and setters automatically. So I'll show you here. What you have to do is just go to the place where you want to get the getters and setters, give the right click, then go to source, and here at the end you can see generate getters and setters. If you click this, you will get the getters and setters. So let us do that. Source, next get generate getters and setters, click that. So for which fields you want to get the getters and setters, I am selecting 3 fields. Now you will get 6 of 6 selected because you have 3 getters and 3 setters for these 3 fields. So 6 you will get, and click generate. Now here you can see you got the 6 getters and setters, right? So see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, let us count it again. Sorry, these are constructors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, this is how to generate the setters and getters. But when you compare with the notepad, you have to write all this code in the notepad for the Java program. But coming to Eclipse, this is so easy to generate the getters and setters automatically using Eclipse. So for more such information, stay tuned, and I think this video will help you a lot. And thank you for watching. And if you have any queries, please write it in the comment section. Definitely I'll respond to it.